Right, so okay, so I've got flux, I've got the component in there, I've got this thing on the end of the board as a weight so that it's keeping the board pressed down, and then I just need to add a little bit of solder to each of the pins. It's actually a bit of a bobble, I don't like that, I don't know why that is. So I've soldered all 8 pins as they stick through. There's my new component in place. It has these little feet on the bottom, these little white triangle bits, and they stop the component being too far through the board, so they kind of position it. Here's my new solder. I mean, it has gone like a little ball, which I'm not very keen on, but what can you do? Best I can do, maybe. I'm going to make sure these two aren't touching and those two. So I'll have a magnifying glass, so in a minute I'll be checking anyway and just having a look to see how they look, which they do actually look alright. So fingers crossed that is going to be good, and then I've got to work out how to solder this, all these snipped pins back to the other board. Okay, so I've replaced the relay, and now I'm in the process of putting the 2 boards back together, soldering them back together. What I've done already, just off camera, is I've just soldered the 4 corner pins back together. So 2 on that side and 2 on that side. So all of the central ones are not soldered. It's just the corners that I've soldered to keep it together. So I've kind of pressed it together like nice and square to match them up as best as I can. And then I've just soldered the 4 corner ones. I put flux on all of the pins, just using my finger before I put them together. And now I'm just going to solder the pins back together, and I'm just going to kind of show you how I'm going to guess how I'm going to do it. So I've got my soldering iron, some flux. This is like tinning stuff. No, that's too much. I don't want that much because it's just going to run down the pin. So I'm just going to start that again. Okay, so I'm just tinning my soldering iron. This is pretty hot. Remember, this is a 100-watt iron. And then I'm just going to use a tiny amount really, and I really just want to use the edge of my soldering iron on the pin. Okay, so that one's actually melted together. You can see the ends of the pin bubble slightly on the board, so you know when it's kind of transferred the heat. And I'm just going to work my way down. So tiny little bit of solder. I think I'm on the third one up, that one. And that's it. So that's the third one joined together. Here I think I'm gonna, well, I don't know. I'll just do them in order. Because the pin that's sticking through the board becomes unsoldered, it moves around, so that one you can see it's kind of wonky. So I'm not really sure that that one's joined correctly. I'm undecided. I'm going to do it again, but this time with the weight, you know, with gravity pulling it down slightly.